We're at the Corewell Health Troy campus, Beaumont Hospital, here in Sterling, and this is on the Sterling Heights side. We got Thyssenkrupp auroras. Shaft is running. Okay, let's go up to 5. Oh, these press weird. Here we go. Smooth. Oh man. 1. Come on down. Hard stops, man. All right. Let's take this one up. Center car 5. I accidentally hit 4. And these are warm. So we're on the north side of the building. These are self-cleaning buttons. Oh, that's loose. That does not sound good at all. There we go. We're gonna go down to 1. Love hearing that. Not to mention that these run well, I will admit, but there's hard stops and there's hard, yeah, that's what I meant to say. Okay, we're at 1. What was that one?